Right friends, welcome back to Learning Space, and this module of around 8 to 10 minutes is with regard to how to empower the students to face prelims 2021 as well as mains 2020 and 2021, and going forward our USP or our plan of action revolves around improving analytical skills, application skills and clarity of thought of the students. Instead of dumping content, what we are planning from now onwards is how to improve your application skills, how to improve your analytical skills. So our focus as we go forward is on these aspects, and keeping this in mind, we are making some changes. Friends, please do not worry. The current affairs modules of 5 per week, editorials and connect the dots modules of 5 per week, they will continue as it is. But what are the changes we are making as we go forward? First and the foremost thing, what we are thinking about or which we are implementing from now onwards is there will not be any revision modules for prelims 2021. Friends, the idea is from now onwards, students should be empowered to face any eventuality, any examination, whatever way the question paper is. Students' brain should be prepared for that. Empowering the students by improving the analytical skills, by improving the application skills, by improving the clarity of thought. That is going to be our USP. We are not going to dump with the content. We are going to give the content whatever minimum required from the student's perspective. And parallelly what we are doing is we are trying to improve the application skills and analytical skills. Keeping this in mind, there will not be any revision modules for prelims 2021. Prepare from now onwards. Don't segregate prelims preparation from mains preparation. Everything should be for both the examinations put together, right? So friends, no revision modules for prelims 2021. The idea is from now onwards, students should concentrate on various aspects. And another point is, UPSC is not asking what happened during the past 6 months, 9 months or 1 year. UPSC is going much deeper. That means, what are the trends for the past 3 years? What is happening during the past 3-4 years? And various science and technology application skills, all these things are being asked by UPSC. So, students, when they are dependent upon revision modules, that may not serve the purpose up to the fuller extent. Keeping that in mind, from now onwards, our focus is how to benefit the students through various modules, right? Then, random thoughts Monday to Friday, most important one. What we are doing is, daily we are giving 10 statements. These 10 statements will be uploaded in the YouTube channel at 9 a.m. Please listen carefully. From Monday to Friday, 10 statements daily, they will be uploaded at 9 a.m. in the YouTube channel, and a related video discussing about 360-degree view of those statements that will appear in YouTube at 6 p.m. At the same time, the video will be uploaded in Learning Space Digital. Right? So friends, this random thoughts will be a permanent feature as far as YouTube is concerned, so that the student should understand what Learning Space is doing, how Learning Space is different from others. And let me tell you, the students should follow from now onwards this random thoughts, and that improves your knowledge. At the same time, it improves your analytical skills, application skills. So please concentrate on this new module which we are implementing from today, that is random thoughts Monday to Friday, that will be available in YouTube also. At the same time, Trends Talk Cutting Across the Lines map based current affairs. As I have already told you, every week there will be 5 modules of current affairs, and out of these 5 modules, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there will be special modules. These special modules are Trends Talk, Cutting Across the Lines, then this geography based current affairs, because 2-3 questions from map based events happens or normally asked in the UPSC examination. So through maps, it becomes easy to understand current affairs. So friends, out of these 5 current affairs, Tuesday, Thursday, there will be special modules, that is cutting across the lines, then geography or map based current affairs. At the same time, third one is cutting across the lines, right? And remaining 3 modules, they will be normal modules. If you integrate this random thoughts with these current affairs modules, probably there may not be any gaps as far as current affairs are concerned. And random thoughts that takes into consideration trends, application, whatever is happening for the past 3-4 years or so, right? Then we are happy to announce prelims test series from January 2021. That means for the students, whoever are appearing prelims 2021 in the month of June 2021, you will be having 10 tests. So starting from January right up to May, 5 months, every month you will have 2 tests. So friends, we are starting test series and 10 tests will be conducted before your prelims in June 2021. This is the most important aspect and it will benefit students a lot. So friends, random thoughts, this test series, if you look at those things, they will immensely benefit mains also. Please don't view random thoughts only from prelims perspective, because when one statement is there, I am going to look at 360-degree perspective of that statement. That will benefit you a lot in the mains also, right? Another important thing what we are going to add, as I have already told you, more than whatever content we are giving, we are concentrating on value addition by the teacher. Exactly random thoughts is from this perspective. And the questions which we are going to ask in the test series, which is being started from January, that will have application analytical based questions also, in addition to memory based questions, right? And back to basics. Basics of polity, basics of history, basics of biology, especially when you look at NCERT, these are important. We will identify up to what extent these are required, and we are going to start the special modules from December onwards. So friends, from December 2020, you will have special modules focusing on back to basics based on NCERT. And instead of dumping the content, teacher will try to give you value addition, right? And if you look further, exclusive modules for S&T and ecology and environment. Friends, S&T and ecology and environment, whatever happening in the current or contemporary aspects, I am covering most of them in the current affairs at the same time, so as to plug the gaps. That means students should not have any gaps. Keeping that in mind, the science and technology, ecology and environment, they will be dealt with by an expert guest faculty, and these modules are expected to start within next 10 days. We have already zeroed in on the guest faculty, and he is the expert in S&T and ecology and environment. He will take care of various S&T and ecology and environment related issues, and of course I am covering several of them in the current affairs also. So whatever gaps students feel at the present juncture, you may not have those gaps, and it will be comprehensive aspect as far as S&T and this ecology and environment is concerned, right? And special modules for mains, as we have already announced, special modules for mains. If you look at special modules for mains, all of you are familiar as far as current affairs are concerned. Our editorial discussions on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and connect the dots from current affairs perspective on Tuesday and Thursday. They are from the perspective of dynamic aspects or current affairs aspects. They will continue as it is. And once again, let me remind you the students, those whoever are preparing for 2021, please watch all the modules. Please don't segregate the preparation that these modules are for prelims, these modules are for mains. I have only segregated for the ease of delivery. not from the student's perspective. Student's perspective, all are equally important, right? So friends, these special modules for mains, these are from the perspective of static domains. Friends, starting this week, very important, please listen carefully. Starting this week, we are producing 5 modules every week. One module, that is case study, one pertaining to essay, one pertaining to society, 2 pertaining to modern Indian history, and these modules will be highly beneficial. So friends, we are making special modules from static domains. This is the important aspect, important element which we are adding, right? And then static domains completed except economy level 2. Friends, all the static domains as promised by Learning Space have already been completed. Now we are focusing on special modules from the mains perspective. Of course, economy level 2. These modules are not yet completed. I am supposed to deal with those modules. Because of paucity of time, I could not do, and during the next 2 months, I am going to cover economy level 2, whatever is required from the student's perspective through connect the dots modules. So friends, we are doing a lot as far as mains is concerned. Even for the static domains also, the idea is students should benefit a lot. Then Yojana and Kurukshetra, they will become regular from September 2020 issue, right? And this down to earth, I am covering in the current affairs. And moreover, when special modules are there for SMT, ecology and environment, you may not find any gaps. As far as government related issues are concerned, Yojana and Kurukshetra will take care of that. So friends, I hope you got clarity about what is the way forward. How are we moving forward? These are mentioned in this video and we are going to follow 100% this schedule. You need not worry. So please march ahead with the Learning Space. And Learning Space is meant for quality modules. With these words, wishing you all the best. This is G.V. Rao from Learning Space. Have a nice day. Thank you.